Hello everyone. So here I would like to say a few words about valency. So what is the purpose of valency? So how the valency is very crucial for the molecules. So for the structures. So in inorganic and organic combinations. So how they are work out. So how it does. So form of valency. So in the outermost electrons. So first in the valency in the sense. So valency అంటే తెలుగులో మనం బహుబలం అని అంటాము. ఓకే. సో లేదా విలువ అని అంటాము తెలుగులో ఆ స్తోమత. సో తెలుగులో దిస్ ఇస్ సో ఇన్ తెలుగు సో ది డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ వర్డ్స్ ఇన్ ద ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ వ్యాలెన్సీ. సో ఇన్ ద వ్యాలెన్సీ ఇస్ అ లాటిన్ వర్డ్. ఓకే. సో వ్యాలెన్సీ మీన్స్ దట్ సో ఒక అణువుని ఇంకో అణువు కలిసి అంటే సంయోగం చెంది కొత్త అణువుని అంటే స్థిరత్వం కలిగిన అణువుని ఉత్పత్తి చేసే దాన్ని వ్యాలెన్సీ అని అంటాం. సో వ్యాలెన్సీ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ సో outermost electrons, the electrons is present in the shell. So valence shell, that is called valency electrons. So that is a different thing. So here valency is nothing but the valency. So electrons are outermost electrons. So we calling as valencies. So valency electrons. Okay. So valence means the substances. One substance can interact with another substances to produce a molecules. So different kinds of molecules. So that is also valency importance. So valency work on that. So in that class, so valency. So many examples we see. So in Lewis dot structures, how the structures will be formed. So how the molecules will be stable. So all the molecules, all the compounds are they are desire to I want to be stable. Okay. So they behave like that. So this is a valency. So in Telugu bahubalam లేదా విలువ అని అంటాం. So in this valency, based on this valency, I want to tell you one story about this regarding this class. So careful listen this one. So valency means సో ఇద్దరు స్నేహితులు వెళ్తూ ఉంటారు సో బస్సులో. సో ఒకరి దగ్గర మనీ అనేది తక్కువ ఉంది, ఇంకో దగ్గర అంటే మనీ అనేది ఎక్కువ ఉంది. సో వాళ్ళిద్దరూ ఇప్పుడు తన ఫ్రెండ్కి మనీ అనేది తక్కువ ఉంది. సో అప్పుడు అతని ఫ్రెండ్ అడుగుతారనమాట సో మనీ కావాలని. సో అప్పుడు ఇద్దరు షేర్ చేసుకున్నారనుకోండి. సో ఒకరి దగ్గర తక్కువ ఉంది, ఎక్కువ ఉంది, కాబట్టి ఎక్కువ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు తక్కువ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి షేర్ చేస్తే ఇప్పుడు ఇద్దరు బ్యాలెన్స్ అయిపోతారు. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో హియర్ సేమ్. సో వ్యాలెన్స్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ హియర్ సమ్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. So carbon, we can take carbon atom. Okay. So the valency of carbon is, the atomic number of carbon is 6. So the valency is 4. Okay. So 4. So 4 valency electrons is there. So it is not getting octet, it is not going to stable molecules. Okay. It's one atom. So they want 4 electrons again. So 4 electrons అనేది ఉన్నాయి కార్బన్ చుట్టూ. సో ఇంకా ఎన్ని ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ కావాలంటే 2 electrons. సో 4 electrons కావాలి ఆక్టేట్ పొందాలంటే. సో స్టేబుల్ ఉండాలంటే ఇంకో 4 electrons ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 4 hydrogens హియర్. సో హియర్ 1 hydrogen. ఓకే. హియర్ 1 hydrogen and here 1 hydrogen. సో హియర్ 1 hydrogen. సో ఇట్ గోయింగ్ టు బీ దిస్ ఫార్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ మీథేన్ మాలిక్యూల్. ఓకే. సో ఇలా పంచుకోవటం వల్ల మాలిక్యూల్ అనేది స్టేబుల్ అవుతుంది. సో sp3 హైబ్రిడేషన్ షో చేస్తుంది. సో sp3 అంటే స్క్వేర్స్ టెట్రాహెడ్రల్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్. So here like that we can identify this the valency. So this is the one type of valency according to Lewis dot structures. So valence in the sense outermost electrons, mostly electrons are participating here. So okay, sharing of electrons. When the electrons is less, it can be provided for the where they are deficient. So they are deficient, it can be provided, they are making a stable compound. So this is a stable molecule. So first atom has, first one is a sodium and chloride. So they are so here 1 electrons say they want. So here 1 minus 1. So it can be both are exchange and so they are going to be stable molecule. So okay. So here one of the example. Next see another examples of valency. So the electrons shell, the electrons present in the valency shell, so that's called valency electrons. Okay. So another example is for the water molecules. So here water molecules we have oxygen is 6th group elements. Okay. So oxygen has 6 electrons. Okay. 6 so valence electrons is so So but valence electron is, so charge is -2, so here -2 minus, and here H2. So here only 2 electrons are there, so there's 6, so valence 6 plus so here oxygen has so 6 electrons. So now they want, so it is the one atom, so it is going to be octet, so stable molecules water, so they have some 2 electrons. Okay, so hydrogen, they want 2 hydrogen atoms, then it will be stable. So okay, so form water molecules. So like bent structure will be formed, so or angular form, inverted form. So these are kind of questions. So these will be three form: angular and bent and inverted shape. So the water molecule will be stable. So this, when atom is less electrons to get it want gain electrons and stable, it can be making as stable molecules. Okay, so this is the one kind of example. So when we do the Krieg's method, example for the sodium chloride. Okay, so here minus charge and here plus 1, so plus. So when it crisscross or exchanges, so here sodium, chlorine 1 or sodium 1, so it becomes as NaCl. Okay, so this is one example for this. So another example is, so how the molecules, so Al2O3, aluminum trioxide, how will form. Now we'll see aluminum trioxide. So aluminum is belongs to which group? So third group, so they have 3 charge. Okay, and oxygen is related to, so the charge has 2 minus. So when it crisscross or exchange, so O3 and Al2, so it becomes as Al2O3. So this is a balancing method. So here example for the valency. So electrons are, so here, so charges will be exchanged, so formation of molecules Al2O3. So like this, sodium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide, all those compounds or so mixtures, or it is based on charges and so valency electrons. So here, so we see many examples. So valency, regarding the valency, so valency helps, so mostly in the making of structures, inorganic and organic compounds. So inorganic organic compound structures will be made by the valency only. So valency, the word, so it is a Latin word, so it is make strongly, so what we desire products. So when two substances or interact each other, so then form a molecules, so different molecules. Okay, so another example we see, so for example, so ammonia another example, and phosphine and so B or F5, and so this for example these three, among these three, so we can define first one. So and nitrogen is belongs to which family? So this is a 5th group. Okay, now they have 5 electrons here, 5 electrons. Okay, so 5 electrons, but I can write, so first one is, so why I wrote like this, so 6 pair of electrons, because so first, so they have only here 8 electrons are there, 1 2, so for 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, so it becomes as 8 electrons. So for this nitrogen has 5 only, so they want 3 electrons, that's why I can write this one like this. Okay, so here 1 hydrogen will be formed, here 1 hydrogen and 1 hydrogen. So ammonia molecules like this, so lone pair electrons are there, so it will be, so with hybridization and it will be formed tetrahedral like structures or pyramidal shape. Okay, so this is the ammonia molecules. So the formation of Lewis dot structures, it will be formed, so based on valency it can be become as a stable molecules. Okay, so nitrogen has 5, then it want 3 electrons, it will be stable ammonia molecule. So phosphorus also same, nitrogen phosphorus 5, so phosphorus is belongs to 5th group, so it will be 5 electrons they have, when I want so 3 electrons, that's why it form PH3 molecules, phosphine molecules. Here same, bromine has So chlorine bromine 17th group, so they want only one electrons, that's why it acts as. So fluorine, so five electrons are there, so that's why form Br5. And so these are the examples for the valency. So electrons are how electrons are interact with each other, so to formation of the stable molecules. Okay, so this is the today class section. So this is a very important according to valency. So according to valency, so molecular orbital theory, so all the electrons are filling, so outermost shells, so some half filled and fully filled electrons. So when they are become stable, because so when electrons are interact each other, so means electron not interact each other, but substances or interact each other's atoms or interact each other, so to form a stable molecules. Okay, so that is the power of so valency electrons. So here this is the valence electrons, so making structures, so desired structures between the organic and inorganic compounds. Okay, so this will be the today class section, so about according to valency, so how the formation of molecules. Okay, so these are the today's section and with examples of valency. So finally all of you are understanding about this valency, and thank you for watching this video.